Hello everybody, today we'll be making broccoli cutlet. Broccoli is known as a superfood because of its high nutritional content. So let's start a quick, easy and healthy recipe. Before that, I am Vichita welcoming you to my channel, The Kitchen World. If you like the recipe, request you to please subscribe to my channel so you will get notified on my further videos. Also request you to like and share. See you soon.
Here I have taken 400 grams of broccoli. Cut the florets of the broccoli like so. We'll keep it medium sized and we'll use the stem of the broccoli. The stems are highly nutritious. We can cut off the edges like so. This is the hard part. We will discard this and we'll use only the internal tender part. You can roughly chop it. This boosts the brain and heart health. It's also good for diabetes. This can be used in making soups or in making stocks as well. Once the broccoli is cut, we will submerge it in ice cold water. Why do we do that? Three things. It keeps it fresh, it maintains the crunch of the broccoli. Third, it enhances the color of the broccoli. It makes it into brighter green while cooking. In a pan, I have taken 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of butter. If you want, you can completely skip the butter and instead of that, you can add 1 more tablespoon of olive oil, to which I will be adding 10 cloves of garlic sliced. Saute this really well. Saute till it's nice and brown. This adds to the flavor. This is done. Now we'll add the broccoli. We'll cook the broccoli on high flame for approximately 7 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll prep for the onions. Here I have taken 3 medium-sized onions, which I'll be cutting in bulbs. Let's see how to make onion bulbs. I have cut it in 4 quarters, like so. And now I'm untangling the layers one by one. So this is how it looks. This is called onion bulbs. We also call it as onion petals. As you can see, broccoli has turned bright green. It will take more couple of minutes. Broccoli is a powerhouse of antioxidants, enriched with vitamin K, C, iron and potassium, high in fiber, and it improves the heart health. It's a good addition in your diet. This is done. As you can see, the stem of the broccoli has also turned green. Now we'll add the onion bulbs. We'll cook it till it's translucent. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. Onions have turned translucent. We'll add salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix it really well and we'll switch off the flame. This is a dish in itself known as butter garlic broccoli, which is a healthy breakfast option. You can also tame it with lunch and dinner along with roti or dal and rice. This tastes really great. But today we are making cutlets, so we'll wait for this to cool down. Broccoli has cooled down. We'll transfer it in a chopper and mince it slightly. So this is how it should look like, finely minced. Here I have added 3 medium-sized boiled potatoes. Mix it really well and then we are done. We'll make the patty and fry it, but I'll show you 2 different ways to do it. One is for the vegetarians who eat egg and another one is for the non-vegetarians who do not eat egg. So let's start with the recipe for non-vegetarians. Here in a bowl I have taken 2 tablespoons of water, to which I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of flaxseed flour. Flaxseed flour is good for our digestion and helps to maintain the cholesterol level. Mix this really well and keep it aside for 10 minutes. This will thicken up. The main motive to add the flaxseed is to give a bind to the mix, to give a nice coat to the mix. This is how the consistency looks like after 10 minutes. It's thick, but once it's mixed as well, this gives a nice bind. I have greased my hands with olive oil and I'm making the patty. See how nice and neat the patty has turned out to be after adding the flax seed. Here I have used avocado oil for frying. Avocado oil has high heating point. This has high lutein content, which is a carotenoid which helps in reducing the risk of developing cataract. This is good for promoting your heart health and improves your skin. Here I have added the patty one by one. Remember to cook this on low flame. It will take around 5 to 6 minutes on each side. For the vegetarians, I have taken 2 eggs. In that I have added a pinch of salt, beat it really well. Now dip the patty one by one in this egg batter and fry it. You can fry this on low to medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes each. So that's it. Our healthy and tasty cutlets are ready to be served. Hope you have liked the recipe. Request you to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon next to it. That will keep you notified on my further videos. Also request you to like and share. See you soon.